10 ways to be a more thankful person. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Patap ng screen, pakishare ng live. Patap ng screen, pakishare ng live. 15 million viewers in the house. So ito ang pag-uusapan natin. 10 ways to be a more thankful person. Para tayo ay maging grateful. Coffee lover, hello, baller, Josephine Garcia, hello, Wendy Gamonin. Thank you sa pag-share ng live. Macho baby, hello, Reynan, hello, baller, good morning. Wilfredo Laganzon, good morning. Jack, hello, June Coronas. Thank you sa pag-follow. Al Ray Nicolas, good morning. Mark Jason Reyes, hello, baller. Hermiel, good morning. Good morning. So, tayo po ay maging mapagpasalamat. Ayan. Sabi ito, for years, researchers have been publishing studies about the effectiveness of an intervention that produces positive outcomes. Positive outcomes in nearly every arena of health and well-being. Ayan, may mga research daw na ginagawa para sa pag-produce ng positive outcome sa arena ng health and well-being. Ay. Todong Pogi, salamat sa pag-follow. Yummy Verified. Hello, Balor Claire. Hello, Willie Blogger. Long time no see po. Salamat sa inyong pagbabalik at salamat sa inyong suporta. Romer Ayala, hello, Baller, good morning. Salamat sa pag-follow. 14 million viewers in the house. 10 ways to be more thankful. Ito tayo, okay. They have na-discover daw ng mga researchers that it boosts your immune system, lowers blood pressure, make you feel more optimistic, decrease depression, and improves your love life. Akalain mo yan, magawa talaga to. Dapat gawin talaga natin to. Sinong walang love life dyan? Maging grateful daw kayo. It helps you cope with even the most life-threatening crisis. So, yan. Paano yon? Ano yon? Kumaga, sabi dyan, be a more thankful person. Magpasalamat daw kayo. Ipaglaban mo kahit wala kang kalaban, ganon. Good morning, Lots Willie Vlogger. Yan, 17 million viewers in the house. Kamusta po sa inyong lugar? Kamusta sa inyong lugar? Ayan, type 1 if you woke up happy. Type 2 if you woke up feeling blessed. Good morning. Okay, so let's talk about gratefulness, being thankful, ano? Okay? So, are you interested? You should be. This magic therapy is gratitude. Magic therapy pala yung gratitude na yan. You can start collecting its benefits today. Tayo ay maging grateful, guys. Feeling thankful can improve your health in both direct and indirect ways. Feeling grateful can improve your health. So may mga may mga dinaramdam. Feeling thankful. Paano ba tayo maging thankful? Eto tayo, sandali. Baba muna tayo dito sa gratitude and joy. Yan, gratitude and joy. Pag-usapan natin, sabi ni Robert Emmons, an internationally renowned scientific expert on gratitude, has found that acknowledging the good in life has a tendency to amplify. Daddy Fernando Villag, napintas ato'y filter ko. Catherine De Leon, Haller Baller, Dodongski, salamat 24 million viewers in the house. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pag-join nyo ngayong umaga. At kayo po, tayong lahat ay mag-ingat dahil po maulan. Okay? Sabi, it will amplify positive emotions. Kapag kayo ay marunong magpasalamat sa lahat ng bagay, sa kaliit-liitang bagay, it will amplify. Ibig sabihin ng amplify, palalakihin niya, pararamihin niya. Ayan, ang inyong positive emotions. Okay, Naren Balok, Haller, Baller, Berger. Damn, Salar-Balar. Good morning sa ating 25 million viewers in the house. Okay? Ulitin natin para sa mga hindi nakarinig. Robert Emmons, an internationally renowned scientific expert on gratitude, has found that acknowledging the good in life has a tendency to amplify positive emotions such as joy and contentment because it helps us slow down. Sabing kanyan. I think gratitude allows us to participate more in life, he says. We notice the positives more and that magnifies the pleasures you get from life. Sabi ni Daddy Fernando Villag, uray awan to filter mo na pintas kalatan. Ay, sige. No, day tati, panunot mo. Hindi ko maisip kung ano. Kung yan ang paniniwala mo, sige, go. Jeramen Flores Man Taler-Baler. Taler-Baler. Thank you sa pag-share. Lods Willie Vlogger. Tap the screen, share the live. Guys, sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng mga bagong kaibigan, kung kayo ay bago lang dito sa TikTok, tap nyo lang po ito. I-add nyo po ang lahat ng naandyan. Come on and think twice. Taler-Baler. Kamusta ang iyong The Struggle is Real? Kamusta ang signal dyan sa lugar nyo? Kamusta ang ulan? Halar-balar. Nako, dito sa amin, suspended ang classes. Yan. Okay, so our topic for today's video is gratitude. Hindi po tayo nagsasawa sa gratitude na topic. O hindi tayo nagsasawa sa pagpapasalamat, no, sa lahat ng mayroon tayo. Good morning kay Imelda Mortejo. Good morning. Ano daw, hindi ko na mabasa yung mga iba, guys. 13 million viewers in the house. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Tap the screen and please share the live. We're talking about how to be more thankful. Kasi pagka ikaw daw ay laging nagpapasalamat, ina-amplify daw niya yung positivity mo. Okay? We notice positives more. Okay. Consider the last time you had a good cup of coffee. Cheers. Sa araw nito, bati na kami. Sana bati na kayo. Sana wag na kayong mag-away. Ito na. Ayan. Consider the last time you had a good cup of coffee. O, kailan kayo huling nagkape? Kayo ba ay nakapagkape na? Nagpintas ti boses ko. Ako po ay isang separada. Meron po akong 2 anak. Single mom po ako. At ito po ay choice ko. Ayan. Bahala na kayong mag-judge. Kung kayo ay feeling judge, again, this is my personal choice. Kung ano man ang mga reasons ko kung bakit ko pinili ang pagiging single mom ko, akin na lang yun. Salamat daw. Ay, salamat po dahil nagagandahan kayo sa boses ko. Richard Bruzon 1. Salamat sa pag-follow. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hindi daw siya mahilig sa kape, sabi ni Kakoy. Okay lang yan kung hindi ka nagkakape. Tsaan na lang. O kaya gatas, kung gatas ang iniinom mo. MJA po. Ano daw? MJ. Ang hirap naman magbasa ng mga pangalan nyo. Ay, basta good morning sa inyong lahat. 16 million viewers in the house. Good morning, good morning. At sana kayo ay nakapagkape, nakapag-almusal na. It's 7:16 Manila, Philippines time. Hello, Lina. Good morning. Pinoy Hoops Kig. And 12. Salar-Balar, good morning sa ating 14 million viewers in the house. Andrew, Edna, Halar-Balar, good morning. Ayan, ano? So, consider the last time you had a good cup of coffee o kung kailan ka nag-milk tea, kung kailan ka uminom ng paborito mong drinks, ganyan. Kailan yan? Did you pay attention to the warmth of the cup in your hands? Ay? Did you pay attention dun sa almusal? Mas okay para laman tiyan agad. Oh, did you pay attention? Ibig sabihin, binigyan nyo ba ng pansin yung lasa ng pagkain na kinain nyo? Ganyan. Kung gaano kalutong yung dilis na kinain ko kahapon. Hindi ba? Ayan, ang lasa ng pagkain na kinain ninyo. Ayan, ayan, sabi dito, it's easy to ignore these small moments. O, yung iba parang tinitake for granted, basta nakapagkape, basta nakapag-almusal, that's it, pansit, diba? Pero yung ninamnam mo ba? Just chillin'. Haller, baller, good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday kahit medyo maulan. So yon sabi nila, it's easy to ignore these small moments of positivity in our day as we rush from one activity to another. But stopping to appreciate them makes them more powerful. May power pala doon. Kaya pag nagkakape kayo, namnamin nyo ang kape nyo. Kapag uminom kayo ng milk tea, namnamin nyo ang milk tea. At dahan-dahan lang sa pagnguya ng mga pearls. Good morning, guys! 14 million viewers in the house. Patap, tap, 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 tap ng screen, guys, at pakishare ng live. Yan, we are spreading love and positivity, guys. Tap, 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 and share the live. Share the live. Tap the screen, share the live, guys. Gratitude and resilience. Ano ang connect ng resilience sa gratitude? Kasi kapag ka ikaw daw ay, basahin natin, practicing gratitude can also make you better equipped to handle the difficulties in life. Anthony Salandanan, good morning and thank you sa pag-follow. Ayan, no? Patap ng screen, pag-share ng live. Let's us share positivity and love this Monday morning. Practicing gratitude can also make you better equipped to handle difficulties of life that inevitably arise. In fact, according to Emmons, it's an essential part of the process of healing from trauma. So kung may trauma kayo, kagaya ko, ayan, matuto kayong magpasalamat. Meron akong journal ng gratefulness journal yan. So everyday meron ako nun. Sinusulat ko, hindi po tayo nagtatanggap ng pa-co-host ng mga taga-ibang lahi. Sorry, not sorry. Okay? So, yon. Kung kayo ay may trauma, nakakatulong daw ang pagiging grateful sa pag-heal ng mga trauma na yan. Pero, syempre, depende sa trauma. Ayan. Pero, at least nakakatulong kahit papano. Christine Joy 123, good morning and thank you sa pag-follow. 12 million viewers in the house. Keep smiling and keep thanking God for every blessing that you receive. Alright, even despair can be mitigated by the experience of appreciation for the good. However slight it might be, kahit slight lang yan, no? Nakakatulong yan sa pag-heal ng mga trauma. Sino dyan na may mga trauma? Salamat sa pag-follow. Just chillin'. Jember Talinga, Baler, good morning. Thank you sa pag-follow. Princess 1805, Baler, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. So there. Sabi dito, many survivors of the Holocaust, when asked to tell their stories, remember most strongly the feelings of gratitude for food. Biruin mo yung sobrang experience nila ngayon. Yung kwento nila, ang laki ng pagpapasalamat nila na nakakain sila ng mga panahon na yon. Food, shelter, clothing that was offered to them. This sense of thankfulness for the small blessings helped them maintain their humanity. Okay? Despite experiencing a horrific tragedy. Hindi ba? Ma-inspire kayo, guys. Many people with life-threatening illnesses also report decreased distress and increased positive emotions when they practice gratitude. Ayan. So, tayo ay magpasalamat. Ito na po tayo, 10 tips to fit gratitude in your life. 11 million viewers in the house. Did you wake up happy? Or did you wake up feeling blessed? Good morning, Mona. Igorot moves, Haller Baler. Good morning, Jason. Remigio Vasquez, good morning. Kolotsky, Haller Baler. 10 million, 11 right now. Good morning. Eric, Kathleen, Haller Baler. Raymart, 29. Angel Nam, good morning. Melissa, good morning. 10 tips to fit gratitude in your life, guys. Number 1. Every day, say aloud 3 good things that happened. Araw-arawin daw natin ang pagpapasalamat. So, every day, say aloud 3 good things. Tatlong bagay na magaganda. Ayan. This can be a fun activity to do with your kids when you tuck them in. Oh, idamay mo na yung mga anakis mo, idamay mo na ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Okay? Bago kayo matulog, ganyan, tanongin nyo sila, ano yung 3 bagay na ipinagpapasalamat mo na nangyari ngayong araw na to? Ano yung 3 bagay na nagpasaya sa'yo? Ayan, ngayong araw na to, ano yung 3 bagay na ipinagpapasalamat mo sa Diyos? Dapat pa iba-iba yun na, hindi pa ulit-ulit. Okay? Magandang activity po yan. It is extremely powerful to express gratitude aloud when you're alone then. Okay? So, number 2 tip. Ayan, 7:23 Manila, Philippines time. We have 6 million viewers in the house. Number 2, keep a gratitude journal. So, kagaya po ng ginagawa ko, I have a gratitude journal. Okay, 3, araw-araw. Sabi dito, jot down the small things from your day that mattered to you. Hello po, TBI, MJA.13. Good morning. L to the A, Centros. Good morning. Judy. Hello, Baller. Good morning. Abby. Good morning. 11 million viewers in the house. Hello, Kitty Cutie. Ate Maria. Hello, Baller. Scanner. Gallardo. 300 Spartan. Good morning. 111. Hello, Baller. Good morning. Pogi Sigena. Hello, Baller. Good morning. Ayan, Gabriel Abad, good morning. Okay, so, number 3. Ay, sandali, yung number 2, basahin natin. Jot down the small things from your day that mattered to you. Like the few minutes of quiet time you had to drive to work, or the fact that this afternoon's rainstorm didn't flood your basement. You're having a particularly rough day. You can look back through the pages of accumulated blessings in your life. Let's count our blessings, guys. Tongski 935, hello, Balar, good morning. 111, hello din po sa inyo. Good morning. Number 3, say thanks to the people around you. Ayan. Say thanks to the people around you. Thank you sa pag-follow, Apple. Good morning, good morning. Number 4, cool a hot temper with a quick gratitude inventory. Mainit ang ulo mo, ha? May mga panahon talaga na ganon. Okay? And don't feel bad, guys. Kapag kayo ay nakaramdam ng galit, ng lungkot, ng pagkainis, ganyan, yung mga ganong emosyon, nararamdaman po ng lahat ng tao yan because we're only human. Tao pa din tayo. So, pag tayo ay sinaktan, syempre tayo ay nagagalit. Ayan. So, wala naman taong perpekto. At kapag hindi ka nakakaramdam ng ibang emosyon, hindi ka na tao. So, there. Don't feel bad, guys. Okay. Now, kapag mainit ang ulo mo, para mapakalma ka, no? One of the quickest ways daw to dispel the energy of a stormy mood, sabi to, is to focus your attention on what's good. Okay, tanongin mo, what is good? Ano ang itinuturo sa akin ito? What is good? Ano ang mabuting nangyayari? Ayan. Para daw redirect yung utak mo. So, ang makikita mo is yung kung ano yung maganda. Ayan. Mababawasan yung galit, mapapakalma yung galit. Although, nandun pa din, pero mababawasan po yon, mapapakalma ka. Sino ito? Kamusta daw ako? Mabuti po ako. Sana kayo mabuti din. Good morning sa lahat ng ating 9 million viewers in the house. Keep safe, everyone. Number 5. Ayan, no? Thank yourself. Pasalamatan mo daw ang iyong sarili. Gratitude doesn't always need to be focused on what other people have done for you. Minsan mag-thank yourself ka rin naman. Solid Fire, hello, Baller, good morning. Don D. Martin, hello, Baller, good morning. Thank you sa pag-follow. Bogs Kapundag, good morning. Salamat po sa pag-join ninyo. 9 million viewers in the house. Ayan, no? Thank yourself. Gratitude doesn't always need to be focused on what other people have done for you. Make sure you give yourself a thank you for the healthy habits you've cultivated in your own life, such as eating plenty of veggies or giving yourself enough time for rest each night. Ayan. Pasalamatan mo din ang iyong sarili. No? Thank you, self, kasi nag-exercise ka. Ganyan. Thank you, self, for the healthy meal. Ganon. Ha? Thank you, self. Ayan. Ganon din daw. Okay? Never mind. Haller baller. 7 million viewers in the house. Come on in. So number 6, use technology to send 3 gratitude messages a week. Okay, find yourself tethered to your cell phone or the internet for hours and harness the power of this technology to send out some good vibes, such as a text or Facebook comment to tell your friends why you appreciate them. Nagbabalik si Ting Twice, akala ko babati na kayo ng signal mo. Bakit parang nag-aaway kayo ulit? Come on in! Number 7 na tayo. Savor the good moments. Ayan. If you notice you're feeling happy, stop what you're doing and pay attention for a few minutes. Notice exactly how you feel. Ramdamin mo ang happiness. Ramdamin mo ang happiness. Later, when you're trying to inspire gratitude, you can remember this moment and this experience. Ayan, experience and the benefits of all over again. Ganyan. Namnamin mo ang happiness mo. Pagka happy ka sa isang moment na ganyan, namnamin mo yan para maalala mo yan bago ka makatulog ulit. No? Number 9, look outward, not inward. So, sabi ni Robert Emmons says people are more likely to feel grateful when they put their focus on others, rather than getting caught up in their own inner narratives about how things should have gone. Empathy for others can trigger a sense of gratitude. And people who have an outward focus tend to experience stronger benefits. Empathy, guys. Kape lang, walang tayo. Empathy. Meron kang hindi simpatsya iba yung empathy. Alam mo yon pag sinabi, I feel ya, ganyan, empathy yon. Yung nararamdaman mo, yung saya o yung lungkot ng isang tao, yung pain ng isang tao, hindi mo naman sa naiintindihan, pero nararamdaman mo and you can empathize, no? Hindi mo siya pinaglololoko dahil alam mong, kumbaga, may pinagdadaanan yung tao. Ganon. Empathy. And yung concern para dun sa kabutihan ng ibang tao, ayan, sabi dito, people who have an outward focus tend to experience stronger benefits. Ayan, no? So, yon. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito is how to be more thankful. Ayan. Erwin0401, Haller Baller. Hello, Jay Gamon, and 6 million viewers in the house. Jolene Haller Baller, good morning. Ano ba to? Hindi ko mabasa yung pangalan. Good morning sa ating 8 million viewers in the house. Are you guys truly happy? Type 1 if you woke up happy. Type 2 if you woke up feeling blessed. So, number 10, change your perspective. Salamat sa pag-follow, Rowena Pamilar. Good morning. Change your perspective. If you struggle to come up with something to feel grateful for, just chillin'. Ayun, feeling blessed. Cheers, John. Cheers. Okay. Put yourself in the shoes of someone who is experiencing misfortunes greater than your own. Sabi dito, kapag hindi ka makakita ng blessings mo,